Hey everybody, welcome back to Villains and Vice. I'm Beth, and today we are participating in the Monsters Inc. collab put on by Ben and Danielle at Melick Adventures. And my contribution is another installment of Evil Spirits. So if you're new to the channel, Evil Spirits is a series that I like to do on cocktails that are inspired by villains. The videos have been kind of few and far between, but I promise this winter I'm going to make it a regular part of the channel. Since this collab is all about Monsters Inc., you're going to find a whole bunch of really cool videos by awesome channels listed below. Check them all out. There are crafts, there are collections, there's another cocktail, I believe, all kinds of fun stuff. So if you are into Monsters Inc., Monsters University, and just monsters in general, click on all of the links down below. And thank you so much to Ben and Danielle for inviting me to be part of this collab. So if we are talking villains from Monsters Inc., we are making a cocktail inspired by, you guessed it, Henry J. Waternoose III. Just kidding. I think we all know that a drink inspired by Henry J. Waternoose probably looks like sludge and tastes like what you would wring out of a dirty dishcloth. I'm not going to do that to you. We are doing a drink inspired by Randall. So it's going to be pretty, it's going to be purple, and it's going to be boozy. Now, I know Randall's kind of evil. May have tried to kill Sully at one point, but at the very beginning, when you go back to Monsters University, he just wanted to be one of the cool guys, you know? He wanted to hang out with the in crowd. Poor Randall. So anyway, to the cocktail. We are making a Randall-tini today. It is super easy. The only equipment that you need is a cocktail shaker or a mason jar and a chilled glass. And it's only 3 ingredients. It is Chambord, vodka, and I'm using Chambord vodka because I just happen to have it, but you can use any kind of vodka you want. And pomegranate juice. And you could also sub in, so depending on how purpley you wanted this to be, you could probably sub in like cran grape or grape juice if you wanted it to be really purple, but it's gonna be pretty purple. If you're not familiar with Chambord, go get yourself some. It's delicious. It's a French black raspberry liqueur. It's great in so many things. It's good in coffee, it's good in martinis. You could just sip it if you wanted to. But enough of my rambling, let's get into the cocktail. Easy, easy, easy. Okay, so first we start with 1.5 ounces of vodka. And if you can see this, the Chambord is already purple. Super pretty purple color. No spilling. I like that. Half an ounce of Chambord. And 1 ounce of your juice. I would just like the record to show that I did not spill anything today. That is a record for me. put your lid on your shaker. Give her a shake. Hi, Belle. This is not for cats. Excuse us. All right, let's see how we did. It looks pretty purple to me. You have a little bit of the bite from the vodka, but you definitely get the black raspberry and the pomegranate coming through. If you like raspberries and you like martinis, I think you'll enjoy this cocktail. And if you like Randall, you should give it a shot. So that's it. Short and sweet, very easy, 3-ingredient cocktail. No fuss, no layering, no tricks, just very straightforward. Thank you guys for stopping by. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out all of the Monsters, Inc. collaborators in the description below. Thank you once again to Ben and Danielle, and we'll see you next time.